Hi, Steve Smith, and today we're going to talk about the next book in the series of our book club, The Compound Effect by Darren Hardy. Wow, what an amazing book. I actually read this book a few years ago when I was working in dealerships, and it was crucial to my success then. It's amazing how, as time goes by, you learn great things, and sometimes you forget them. So, super excited to be reading this again, and this is going to be the first part of our book club on the compound effect. So, best advice that I've been saying, get a highlighter and highlight stuff as you go. That will let you go back and reread and really concrete those things. Even though that I'm making these videos, you really want to slow down and let the information digest, because I think if you pick up the book and read right through it, yes, you might pick up one or two things, but there's a lot of really good things in here that you need to pick up. So here we go. Let's get started. The compound effect. In his dedication in the beginning of the book, he says to talk about things that matter to people who care. Talk about things that matter to people who care. Wow. And I think that's what we're doing here. We're talking about things that matter. And if you didn't care, you wouldn't be here. So, I appreciate you. Really good stuff. Really good stuff. It's interesting. In the beginning of the book, there's a special message by Tony Robbins, which, we all know that he is just phenomenal. But it's interesting. He says there's at least one area in your life you're dissatisfied with right now. And believe it or not, that dissatisfaction is a good thing. It means you're looking for answers and you want to grow. So I think that's why we're all here. We want to grow. Okay? If you want more love, you got to give more love. If you want greater success, help others achieve more. When you study and master the science of achievement, you will find the success you desire. So, wow, we're getting kind of two great leaders in one book. I think that message is really, really important, and I believe in it. In the future, we're going to be talking about a book called The Secret. It's probably going to be the next book. It's phenomenal. I love it. It's so important. I used to read it to my kids as a bedtime story. In a nutshell, it's about being so positive about everything. You think positively, and you kind of make things happen in your mind to make them happen in your world. And I think this statement couldn't be more correct. If you want more love, give more. And try this. You want more love? Find people that you can give your love to. Pour them with love. If you want greater success, help others achieve more. This is what I want. I want greater success. That's why I'm doing this. Okay? I'm doing this for you, and especially my kids, because when they get older, they're going to need a foundation like this, and I want to be the one to deliver it to them. Right now, they're certainly not going to listen to me talk about books and read books to them about business and being the best they possibly can. So this is for Preston and Briella. And when you study the master of science of achievement, you will find the success you desire, that's what we're doing here. We're studying the master of achievement. So really, really good stuff. And this is the 10th anniversary, by the way. So really, really good. Okay, getting into the compound effect. Chapter 1 goes into explaining why little things matter so much, and Darren's background. His dad was really, a single father that raised him, and, was kind of tough on him. And everything that he says, for the dads that are out there listening to this is good advice. One of his philosophies is this: it doesn't matter how smart you are or aren't, You need to make it up in hard work. What you lack in experience, skill, intelligence, or ability. So that's powerful, okay? So if you're going for a job, or you're playing a sport, or you're doing anything in life, and you lack the experience, you lack the skill, or the intelligence, you can make it up with hard work. Me, that's me. I wanted to be a general manager of a dealership, and over 20 years ago, I got started in the car business, and guess what? I had no experience, no skills, very little intelligence, and I got there by hard work. I just outworked everybody, dressing for success, first in, last out. That's how I got there. It took me 17 years in management to get there, but I finally achieved my goal of becoming a general manager a few years ago. So anybody can do it. If you lack those things, you got to put in the hard work. He goes on by saying, if you aren't good at something, work harder, work smarter. Totally believe it. Be the guy who says no. It's no great achievement to go along with the crowd. Man, I'm a super positive person. The N-word I used to say was a bad word to my kids. Hey, that's a bad word. I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear the word no. But in reality, he tells a couple stories in here. For example, if a kid offers you a cigarette and you're a kid, you need to be the person that says no. It's no great achievement to go with the crowd. Such good advice. There's plenty of times you need to say no in life. So don't be afraid of the word no. I was always afraid of it. You haven't experienced the payoff of the compound effect yet. So the definition of the compound effect is the principle of reaping huge rewards from a series of small, smart choices. Okay? Whether using this strategy for improving your health, relationship, finances, or anything else that matters, the changes are so small, they're almost non-existent. So he tells a story in the beginning of the book. If I offered you $3 million today, or 1 penny compounded every day, every day it doubles for the rest of the month, what would you take? I think 99% of us would say, I'll take the $3 million today. Maybe we think we're so smart we can invest it or whatever we're going to do. The truth of the matter is the 1 penny compounded over time ended up being $10 million in 30 days. So there you go. So really good stuff in here. Smart, small choices plus consistency over time equals a radical difference, okay? Really good stuff. He also gives the story, which I think is great for everybody who wants to have the best health, on how important small choices are every day. In fact, he told a story about 3 guys, and one guy only cut 125 calories out of his day per day. So that's like, what is that? A cup of yogurt? Don't buy a foofy coffee drink, right? So in 940 days, 125 calories a day is 117,000 calories. If you divide that by 3,500, which, is how many calories are in a pound, that's 33 pounds. So if you can cut only 125 calories a day, you can lose 33 pounds in 31 months. That's the power of the compound effect. So good stuff in here. Success clouded their perspective and they slacked off. I highlighted this because as I read this, sometimes I think of my own experiences, and as important it is to note the compound effect and how your life can improve by doing the right things. Once you get to the top, you forget these things. A lot of people forget what got us there, and then they stop doing all the little things that got them there. So really good stuff. I'm going to recap chapter 1. He does say if you want a free mentoring program, you can go to his website, darrendaly.com. He suggests writing out a few excuses you're clinging on to. This is great advice. If you read any book, they tell you to write stuff down, write stuff down, write stuff down. I write stuff down. In order to see it, hear it, feel it, you got to write it down. Also, write down a half a dozen small steps you can take right now to improve your day and improve the positive direction of your life, right? Health, finances, your education. So really good stuff, really good stuff. Thank you so much for your time. That's chapter 1, and we'll talk soon. I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.